The GOGBOT Festival is an annual festival in Enschede organized by Planetart, a local group of artists. The festival deals with subjects on the area of multimedia, art, music and technology and features lectures, a film program and the Youngblood Award for Art Academy graduates. The festival originates from several festivals that Planetart organized earlier in the city center of Enschede, i.e. in empty warehouses, on squares, in music venues. Examples are the Gods Must Be Crazy, Opdrift, Sociale Dienst, Real Audio, Exploding Digita, Castro Friesen, etc. In 2017 the 14th edition will be organized. Founded by creative director Kees de Groot. Wilja Jurg was managing director from 2004 until 2007, after this Viola van Alphen, until 2015. She continued her work under the name Viola Virus and organized the award-winning manifestations, Will the Future Design Us?, in Eindhoven. Because of the accessible form and innovative approach, GOGBOT receives international recognition. Therefore, GOGBOT is invited for presentations including the ISEA in Singapore, Selsbot in Indonesia, the Transmedial in Berlin, International Film Festival Moscow, World Expo 2010, Japan Media Arts Festival 2011 and TechFest 2012. In 2011 the festival was rewarded the National Innovation Award, as being the most innovative festival in the Netherlands.